What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is gonna be about a challenge, and this challenge is gonna be the spicy noodle challenge. And it just came in the mail today. Look, I actually got two of them. I got one for my sister and one for me. And here it is. Look, I don't know if it's this one, but it's hot chicken flavored ramen. I don't know. And it says, I don't know right there, Steve type. I don't know yet. So this is how you make it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this, and I'm gonna eat it. It comes with like a little package like this. And yeah, look at this dude right here. You see this dude right here? He's eating it, and like his right here is very red. I'm not just playing, guys. Look, see that red stuff right there? So guys, I have the soup right here. I got my bowl right here, and yeah, let's get it started.
Classics beats.
Alright guys, you already know it's already done right here. Well, I'll put this fork right there. Let's get this started. Boom. 10 minutes, alright? Gonna be right there. I'm gonna eat it with the fork. Better. It's hot. Super hot. And I don't gotta drink water. That's the rule. If I drink water, I lose. Oh my gosh. It went always through my throat. So let's get this going.
How you eat pussy like that?
Oh no. We got 9 minutes left. If I'm on faint. How much do we have left? We have 7 minutes left. Come on, guys. I know how to eat it with this. It went out to my throat. My head hurts. My tears coming out. It's hot. I'm gonna drink the soup. Oh my. I don't care. Bring a straw, bring a straw. I'm gonna zip this up. It went in my eye. It went in my eye, guys. It burns bad. It burns bad. We have 3 minutes left and 30 seconds. My burgers are coming out. You got the straw here? It's hot, guys. 2 minutes left. I already ate all the noodles, guys. It burns bad in my throat. Oh, there's something red stuck there. What is that? Look at that. There's something red, guys, right there stuck. What's up? Chili, 2 minutes left. You know what? I'm doing for this, guys. Where's my leg? 1 minute left. My throat hurts bad. We got 50 seconds left. 50 seconds. It's too hot. I'm trying right now. There's still a little bit of soup here. I love the soup. 30 seconds left. I spilled it. It's in my nose, guys. It's spicy. It's done, guys. It's done. I couldn't do it in 10 seconds. 10 minutes, I mean. This is the leftover right here. But I at least did like I drink more than a half. The milk is super bomb. I know it's red. I'm crying, like I'm literally crying. My burger's almost out. Look, I dropped like a lot. I got hepatitis. Subscribe if you're new. Comment what you want to see next in the description down in the box down below. My heart hurts. I love you guys so much. And guys, I love you guys.